Reasons why killing or murder was highly condemned in traditional African societies. Life is sacred and should be preserved. It destroys the continuity of life. It brings suspicion and fear for society. It brings suspicion and fear to society. It destroys harmony or good relations in society. It creates misery or sadness for the bereaved family. It will lead to the excommunication of the culprits from the community. Murder invites curses on the community. It invites the wrath of the spirits and ancestors. Death rituals are very elaborate and disheartening. Murder makes land ritually unclean or defiles the land. Evidence that shows Africans believe in life after death. Burying the dead with their belongings, pouring libations and offering sacrifices, shedding of blood during initiation to connect the issues with the ancestors, through sacrifices to appease the ancestors. The bodies were properly washed and dressed before burial. The names of the dead are invoked during prayers, consulting the ancestors through mediums and diviners. The dead were accorded decent burial or eulogies, preserving a seat for the dead in ceremonies, not mentioning the names of the dead in vain, naming children after them. Moral values inculcated during death rites. Responsibility. The society takes care of the bereaved children or wife or wives. Cooperation. The community comes together to assist the bereaved family. Respect. The dead are given a respectful burial. Mutual concern. Community shows concern for the mourning family. Obedience. All funeral rites are strictly followed. Patriotism. Community members follow the community's customs and traditions concerning death. Love. The society identifies the bereaved and helps them. Perseverance or endurance. Members mourn and come to terms with their grief. Chastity or self-control. In some communities, members refrain from sex during mourning. Generosity. Mourners donate foodstuffs to be used during mourning period. Gratitude. The bereaved family remains thankful for the help received during mourning. Cooperation or unity or solidarity. The whole family is involved in the rites. How the traditional African communities help the bereaved family. They visit the bereaved family or give them company. They console them through singing and dancing. They provide food and other material needs. They helped in digging or preparing the graveside. They perform house chores like cooking. They inform friends and about the death. They make the eulogy to testify of the deceased contributions to the community. They participate in rituals and ceremonies performed by the bereaved family. Changes on the death rites today. Some communities have abandoned some shameful death rituals. Some people prefer cremation. Some families have treated burial as a family affair. The mourning period is shortened nowadays. Graveyards are not highly respected. Did you understand? Kindly write the comments down below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless.